Alright, what's good guys? We're back at it again. It's been a long time since I actually came and started streaming or just recording in general. So if you're new here, same thing, we're just gonna run through a couple of market thoughts. At the moment we have BTC in front of us, right? Currently on the weekly. I just wanted to point out, right? If you it's pretty simple at the moment, right? To me, at the moment, this is very bullish. There's nothing for me to deny it at this point. Look, just on the weekly, right? We came into here, this previous all-time high. Pulled up towards here, deviated, started going higher. Confirmation for me was here. For me was here. We were in between these two levels. Anything in between can either be range highs, range lows, right? So if we reclaim range lows, we go towards there. So zooming in real quick, look at the daily now, right? Just looking at the daily for now, just remember this was range high. Look how this has been a pivotal area, right? We've been ranging inside of a range. Let me just highlight this real quick. 1 second. Zoom in a bit. Not bad. Okay. Clear range developing, right? Respected, deviated, went down towards here, swept. Okay. Now every time we came here, started coming resistance, deviation, resistance, came back, and afterwards, look how we flipped, support. Now we're back below it again. And after we deviated range highs, we came back towards here, see how we deviated here, reclaimed, started pushing up. So from just a macro perspective, it doesn't matter what we're thinking about right now, just from a chart perspective, it's easily agreeable, right? We're in a range environment, and if we are in a range environment, normally when it comes to range highs, we retest range lows, reclaim range lows, we retest range highs. So for now, I'm expecting a move up here. Remember, we were in a long, right? We were in a long, we got swept towards here. Literally, pico bottom, bro. Hate to see it, but it happens, part of the game. So, what I'm looking forward is, if you can reclaim here, do something like this, afterwards get high, boom, target 1, and afterwards, target 2. If you reclaim afterwards here, would be my stop loss if it does form. But to me, I don't like taking trades on the weekend. I really don't. But the thing is, to me, don't be a pleb and trade BTC, right? Bruv, this is where most of the people started reaching out and started asking themselves, bruv, what the fuck do I have worth valuing if I'm putting 41k in one BTC and afterwards if all-time high is 120k? That's only 3x, right? There's a lot more valuable things and you can start putting your money on. So I'm expecting at least, if we can break above here, expecting these highs to be swept, and afterwards this is an inefficiency. This inefficiency should be swept immediately. But I'm thinking maybe in a timeline of saying maybe post halving. I don't think we're gonna move towards there before halving. Just my personal thoughts. Of course, things can change. At current market state, that's what I'm thinking about right now. Again, this is my line in the sand. This here, I was shorting here. I'm not gonna lie. I longed here, and afterwards took some here. I started shorting towards here, broke down, okay, took some profit, deviated, okay. As soon as we reclaimed, bruv, it's full bullish mode. This shit should hold. And everyone's talking about the pre-halving dump, Bro, if it's about to happen, trust me, we'll be prepared. Especially, bro, currently just looking at the PA perspective, it's not giving me any idea or giving me any confidence to go into shorts right now. Did we break below here? Yes, we did, but we reclaimed immediately, right? We reclaimed immediately. I thought, okay, maybe if you do come, we're gonna go deeper towards here, and afterwards you can start building spot positions here. Clear and validation below here, but it did not happen. So we're gonna take it with a grain of salt every time. Have to have a plan for everything. So I just wanted to put my macro perspective on this. I'm just going through BTC first because if BTC is bullish, bro, we're gonna start. We're gonna start degenning, right? We're gonna start degenning. Let's look at ETH. So yeah, this was the previous setup that we had. We long towards here. TP hit, not a bad exit. Back at entry. Let's zoom out. Get a fresh chart in for you guys. Okay, almost same PA, right? As BTC. Towards here, deviated. We got these equal lows here. We reclaimed. Now I'm thinking, to me, this looks nice. This looks very nice for another leg up. Look, same thing. reclaimed. Now we're here, right? This pivotal area, resistance. So we're fighting towards here. See how we're in a little range? Look at the daily real quick. 4 hours. Simple. This high here. This low here. Okay. Why this low? This is the low that's been interacted with the most, right? So people are buying over here. Deviation. Same thing, and afterwards, every time it got tested, it held, went higher. So this is why I'm using this area for my support. Same thing, resistance here. Deviated. It's getting respected. Every time SR levels, you just can't nick or pick this shit just out of the blue. You need to actually inspect the chart first and see, okay, okay, if this shit's not getting respected, bro, you're just gonna lose your cash, right? This is a game of probability. That's why you have to make sure that what you're doing and where you're putting your SR levels, they're actually getting interacted with. So almost same BA as BTC. Almost same, right? Only thing is this was not swept. This low was not swept before pushing higher. Maybe, who knows? Depending on ETH BTC, we're gonna look at ETH BTC. Maybe you can get something like this. And if so, bro, we are going giga long, bro. And taking this high. First target here, second target here. So second, first. Current thoughts, and if we break below here and hold, that's our short trigger, and we're sending this shit to Hades, bro. But I don't think so. I really don't think so. Let's look at ETH BTC real quick. Bro, I've been using Bittrex, but I think they got nuked. Let me see. Just use Binance for now. Same thing, clear the charts. Alright, let's put on our levels real quick. Use fibs. This low to this high. Let's add in the other levels real quick. 0.75, 0.25. Now you have our range plotted. See, our range low got deviated, reclaimed, retested perfectly, right? Same thing. So if this was a range, high to range low trade, you would be expecting, as long as we hold these levels, so 0.75, you would be moving for mid-range and afterwards these areas. So currently, I would say, I'm not gonna lie, it's looking kind of good. It's looking kind of good for even adding here. You have this demand area here, and also resting below a range low, right? So if it does come towards here, this is a buying opportunity. You have clean invalidation here as well, so very tight, and you can play it from here towards here, mid-range, first TP, and afterwards second TP over there. I'm looking, probably you can go aggressive at time of writing, but I would wait for the reclaim. Reclaim gives you more confidence, right? So and afterwards you can actually, instead of aping like a fucking monkey, you can actually ape when you have confirmation, which means you have more confidence behind your trade. Which is probably why I'm not. You can go half size, 100%. You can go half size, but I would probably wait until you actually reclaim towards here, towards there, boom, simple. So the trade would look something like this. If you want to be an ape, you can add here, stop loss below there, towards here. And see how perfectly this retested? Huh? People say TA doesn't work, PA doesn't work, bruv. Just put your time in, get your money up, not your funny up, bruv. So let's move on to some of our alts. I think probably mubi looks the best, to be honest. Yeah, to be honest, I probably switch to on-chain data real quick. Bruv, I hate this shit so much. My settings never save, but no problem. Use this area here. So, let's change the settings real quick to it. Yep, homies are getting my entire settings right now. And wait. Canvas, solid, white. Boom, we're back at it again. Alright, so why did I choose these levels, right? This was the high, where we came through towards, and afterwards we broke it. We started pushing up. So this is untested at the moment, untested. So at the moment, what I'm looking for on the daily is, look here, this high as well, is capping price, right? This capping price. Anything above it, deviation, deviation, deviation. If you're one of those apes that bought above there, bruv, I'm sorry, it's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay. Looks quite simple, right? Range lows, range highs. So range high, range lows. Bruv, we are already on filled towards 0, 0, 12s. 0, 12s. As long as we do not trade below this level right here, give it another color. Give it a Unga Bunga color. Yes, sir. So as long as you don't trade below here, I still think we're gonna go higher. Especially more confidence, I'll be looking to add above here. Range low, range high, same thing. If we're in a range environment, if they reclaim range lows, there's a good probability we're gonna revisit range highs. But for now, if we do deviate, let's say, bruv, COVID 2030 comes, bruv, and we start nuking, I'm looking at this area to just start scooping. We already have orders at 011, right? So 011 towards here. This is my area. But if it does come lower, bruv, mubi is one of those projects that you have to have for the bull market. I don't care. Bruv, this is the first native bridge from other EVMs to ordinals. Plus, I think I tweeted it out yesterday. Wait, let me see. Launch of multi-bit incubator program. Today marks a significant milestone for multi-bit as you officially unveil the multi-bit incubator program. So basically, right? You stake. Every other project that comes will either have to assign 5% of their total, so of their full diluted FDV to the mubi staking program. So you stake, you get free coins. It's like an IDO program, but it's proof of work. So you actually have to stake. It's not like lottery or that type of shit. So this is gonna be one of my biggest bags. Even though I told Guru, I told the group chat, we bought towards here 020s, sold the most around this area, and afterwards, bruv, I got clapped back. Bad, 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 bad. I bought already bridge and they kept DCing. Now that shit rugged. I hate to see it. 50% of my PNL went towards there. Got rugged. You hate to see it, but it happens. So that's what I'm looking for at the moment. Anything that comes towards here, even if we deviate, we reclaim. Same thing. Higher probability trade, deviation done. Start sending higher, reclaim range lows to range highs. You add. Be an ape. Look yourself in the mirror. Be an ape. So let's go back. I have a couple actually. I wanted to look at this as well. Satoshi VM. Bruv. I'm filled. I'm underwater. I'm gonna be honest, bruv. I did not expect this type of FUD to actually hit the timeline so bad and put me down bad. But yeah, it happens. Almost same thing, right? Most of these charts, these new charts, almost look the same. They start off strong, and afterwards they start distributing in between these two levels, even though I would probably mark this because this got respected, but doesn't matter, we go for ultimates. So even here you can basically see this is trading in a range too, right? We're on the hourly chart right now. Put this here, extend it a bit, looks nicer. Whoever's holding their bag, bro, regardless of the FUD, you're retarded. I'm gonna be honest. Bro, this is the same thing with I have another project called odgn, that's the ticker. Almost the same thing. They're trying to make you trade BRC with native ETH as gas. So you're using your MetaMask, Ravi wallet, whatever the fuck, Rainbow wallet. I don't know what the fuck you guys use anymore. But basically, you can, without bridging, you can buy directly. Liquidity, everything will be provided for. So, I mean, regardless of the FUD, right? We would probably still buy this because in 6, 8, 9 months from now, bro, No one's gonna remember what the fuck happened. No one's gonna care. Okay, probably if you're down bad looking to buy, you're gonna remember. You're gonna be, a little bit cautious. But bro, money talks. If this shit doubles, bro, you're gonna be kicking yourself not to buy, right? I'm already down bad. I'm at 6-3. I'm already at it at 6-3. So if it does reclaim towards here, it'll give me more confidence. Something like this. But for now, I don't feel like touching it till we actually get a proper reclaim. Doesn't matter. This can go higher from here. Okay, fine. You missed like a dollar or two. It does not matter. Because if you do reclaim range low, there's a high probability we're going to 15 and higher, bro. I still think there's gonna be like a one build project full bull market. Okay, let's see. I have this as well. Ordy swap. Bro, these homies are trying to ship so hard, but the PA is not playing with them, bro. Like, this is what I hate, right? This shit's supposed to be solid, already done and everything. Now I gotta manually put this shit, bro. I swear to God, this shit's not gonna save next time I stream or record. Hate to see it. So, straightforward. Straightforward. Low to high. But I'm not gonna change my settings, fuck that, but you get the point. Mid range is around here. Maybe I even have it towards here, wait. Yes, sir. This is the OG one. Okay. Same range. Most of them are ranging. The thing is why I think this is gonna go higher, especially now. Look, we've ranged, right? Multiple taps towards here, rejected, 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 rejected. Came towards here, nicely done. Another deviation done. Normally, when you're range trading, you would be expecting, okay, normally once you flip mid-range, you'll probably be expecting setting your targets to range highs. But if we break below mid-range, that means we're kind of bearish, right? I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. I'm not here to lie. I'm giving you my perspective. As long as we trade below mid-range, there is a probability that we might do something like this. If not, I want to see daily start closing above here. Mid-range needs to be held. If not, this shit's gonna go lower. Even though they have a working product. It's still in the alpha stage. I was in their Telegram, they were saying 1 or 2 weeks shipping out time, so this is one of those projects that's gonna hit 1 USD as well. But the thing is, if you want and you don't have a bag, and if you want to grab a bag as low as possible, I would start waiting. Or you can start DCing here and leave a great portion of your bag if we do something like this. I would at least want mid-range to be kept and held. If not, it's not looking good, huh? Okay, let's move on. We got, wait. Go back towards here, gonna go on-chain data. Okay, let me see if I can find that shit real quick. Cross-chain swap protocol allowing ETH degems to seamlessly inject liquidity into the booming BRC20, says. Bro, when you read something like that. Alright, space. Anyways, so basically, it's what trying to do what SAVM is trying to do. So Satoshi VM, right? It's almost doing the same thing. So you connect, you go through the page, and afterwards you sign with your MetaMask, Rabi. You buy with ETH, converts to on-chain on ordinals, and delivers for you. Let me see. Pounds 00 tax. Let's see their website. Guys, gonna watch me get rugged live. I'm not connecting to anything still. Cross-chain swap. Hate to see it. Not deployed yet. Buy any PRC20 token with ease, join the PRC, for active crypto into blah, blah, blah. Doesn't matter. So let's say same thing. You're buying with ETH. What do you want? Let's say this, connect, and boom. Happy dandy. Okay, blah, blah, blah. I'm not gonna go into all of that. Just know tech good, price low, higher. That's it. That's my thesis. Don't be like me. All satire, not financial advice. But yeah, more than that at the moment. This is one of those things that it's highly speculative. But the thing is, I'd rather be in it and regret later, right? Anything that comes towards this area, I'm scooping again. Especially. I think if I'm saying what's total cap at the moment? 636k. I'm pretty sure they're lying. I'm not. I don't think that's the circulating cap right now, 2.1. So, same thing. I think most of these projects, what they're lacking is, bruv, okay, 90% of all projects, bro, they do not need a coin. They do not need a coin. That ass, they do not need a coin. Look at, what you call that shit? Look at Arbitrum, bro. Before the airdrop, bro, you have to pay native gas and ETH. You don't really need Arbitrum as a coin, right? But the thing is, like, look at mubi, look at order swap. Most of those shit, they actually offer value to the holders. So you buy the token, you go through their platform, people use the platform earns fees, those fees get back to the stakers. So you actually have an entire ecosystem going, you're actually making money daily. So that's attractive. To me as an investor, that's attractive. Yeah, let's move on to the biggest BlackRock trading currency. Bro, did I type this shit wrong? Or did I get rugged? Aight. So, one of those things as well. I do not know if you guys actually been here for quite a long time. Last time we had OHM. So, what it was, you would buy the tokens, you would go through their platform, you would stake it. Staking every day. So, it would be, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure, but as soon as you start staking, you start accruing rewards. And you can also bond on the platform. Let's say if the token is 100 and you can bond, you can buy the token cheaper, but you have to put LP. So you burn the LP, but you can bond, let's say for 80, 70 at a discount. Same thing for here. Let's see what I'm doing. Can I disconnect? I don't want people. Yes. Okay. Dashboard. Current price, TVL, APR is steadily like this. And it's a D-based project. So if you hold your coins in your wallet, you're finished. You need to stake them. If you put them into your wallet, every block that gets mined, your coin will start debasing. So let's say if you have 10, boom, the next time you check, you have 9.9. Tomorrow you might have 9. Depends on how many blocks are mined. But the good thing is, you come towards here, you stake everything, and afterwards you start earning. If I'm not mistaken, bruv, I have let me see, 85 or some shit. I have 85, almost earning 100 per day. It's just strictly just staking, staking. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm not adding it to the pool. I'm just, bruv, I'm claiming, I'm selling, I'm dead ass. I'm claiming, I'm selling, I'm claiming, I'm selling. There's no point, but just remember, most of these projects can go to zero anytime, bro. They can go to zero anytime. So I would rather, start taking my money out slowly. Like I said, I scooped around here and around here, most portion of my bag filled over here. As long as we do not trade below here, I still think this can go higher. I saw a couple of other people who were in this too. Euro Sniper, I follow this guy. Man's amazing, not gonna lie. So what I've been doing is just waiting actually. So if it does, from a PA perspective, come towards here, we break towards here, I'm not gonna lie, I might degen and add again. Bruv, at this point, the project looks good. There's a lot of other projects that are trying to come into this space as well with debasing, building something similar like OHM. OHM hit 3 bill market cap last bull market, by the way. 3 bill. This is the first project that I feel like that can replicate that. So this got my degen seal of approval. So let's say, right? Fuck, I'm retarded. I forgot what I was gonna do. At the moment, 15k market cap, 15M. So 50 milli. Bro, if 10x from here is 530, 1 bill, bro, you're talking about, let's say, that's 1.5 bill is 100x, 3 bill, all-time half, OHM, 200x, 200x from here, bro. Do the math. 53 times 19.19 times 200. You're talking about at least 10k per token, bro. This shit's crazy, right? Shit's crazy. It can happen. I'm not saying it can't. Circulating supply is still low. The good thing is when everything is already mined and in circulation, you connect, you start, instead of earning BTC as the coin, you start earning USDC, so you get fiat basically. So, not bad. Let's say, fuck, I really have to connect, bro. I don't want to connect, this shit's gonna go on YouTube. Bro, I don't want to get doxxed. Nah, it happens. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys something else as well. So this is how I've been doing my time, but I don't condone gambling at all. I don't. But bro, on-chain gambling is kind of different, right? I mean, that shit hits like crack sometimes. So this is what I do. You come to filters, liquidity. Lower the liquidity, the bigger the rug. I say at least 20k. Bear age 1 hours. Let's say 2. This doesn't matter too much to me. Apply. No, 1 hour 5. Like, bruv. Look at this shit. Like, to me, like this, right? Win. This was just airdropped right now. Today, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna, that's an outlier. But let's say liquidity wise, looks good, right? Look, 2.9. No, bro, look at this picture. They're down bad. Bro, we deserve to go to 0, bro. We deserve to go to 0. Wow. So let's say, right? You buy this, you hope for the best. Hopefully tomorrow you wake up, the shit's not at 0. Same thing. Filters. 5 minutes. That's a lot of fucking coins, bro. 25 minutes. Extremely degenerate. So people can buy and sell, so you already know it's not a honeypot. And afterwards, 90k, bro. You are fighting with the demons here. Remember, bro, Sol has really low tax, so you're not really paying and selling that much. So, bro, this is the Colosseum right here. This is where the degenerates are born. Do I even have Sol, bro? I don't think so. Bro, fuck it. Bro, I'm gonna stop the recording here. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna move some Sol. Probably gonna degen, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Shit's entertaining at least. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.